Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening from wherever you are in the world. If you're new on this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I teach you guys how to trade Bitcoin and achieve financial freedom. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer money out of your Binance futures wallet back into your spot wallet. So there's a process into that, and I thought it would be nice for me to show that. I actually had a person, one of my subscribers, reach out to me asking me about that, so I'm like, let me just make a video to show everyone who doesn't know how to do this how to do it. So you want to go on Binance, right? And when you get to Binance, to get to futures, hover over to derivatives, and then on the drop down menu you want to click on the option that says USDM futures. Okay, click on that, and then you'll be brought to this page here, and if you scroll down you'll see the amount of money you have in your wallet. So this at the bottom here on the right here, it tells you how much you have, right? So whenever you make money, this is where that money goes. Now if you want to withdraw that money, you need to transfer it back into your spot wallet before you can actually withdraw it outside of Binance. So to do that, click on transfer right over here where it says transfer, right above the amount of money you have. So you click on that, and then it will bring you to this page. Now what you want to do is select where it says from, click on that. On the drop down menu, select cross, okay, and then on the area where it says to, click on that, and then select fiat and spot. Now once you've done that, you want to now go back to where it says from again, click on that, and now switch it to USDT M futures. There. So once you've done that, now you go at the bottom where it says coin. Now you want to select what coin that you want to withdraw. So it all depends. So for me, right now all of my money is in USDT, right? So I would select USDT because that's where the money is. And then it will tell you how much you have available in your wallet right there. And then you can just put the amount that you want to take out. You can take out everything, or you can take out some of it. So yeah, let me just put, I'll put $5 because I don't really want to take out everything. So once you do that, just hit confirm, and then see there at the bottom it said transfer sent. So now your money has been sent to your fiat and spot wallet. If you want to see it, just scroll back to the top and then hover where it says wallet. At the drop down menu, select fiat and spot, and you'll be brought to your wallet. So this is your fiat and spot wallet. This is where all of your money in whatever currency you have will be in. Okay, and now if you wanted to withdraw it outside of Binance, that's another step. I'm not going to go through it all in this video, but you would just select withdraw right there, and then it will bring you into another page, and then it's a very quick process, honestly. But if you guys want me to make a video on that, I can. Just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll figure out how to exactly make that video. Alright, I hope this was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, just please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching.